Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in automotive accessories. Today, we're diving into something truly special, the best hard car handle, designed to not only enhance your vehicle's interior but also your driving experience. Stay tuned as we explore what makes this accessory a standout choice. This hard car handle isn't just another accessory, it's a blend of style and functionality. Crafted with premium materials, it promises durability and reliability, ensuring your safety and comfort every time you enter or exit your car. Let's talk features. The best hard car handle boasts a sleek, ergonomic design that fits snugly into your hand. Its smooth finish not only feels luxurious but also enhances grip, making it easy to use even in adverse weather conditions. Installation is a breeze, thanks to its universal fit. Whether you drive a sedan, SUV, or compact car, this handle will seamlessly integrate into your vehicle's interior, adding a touch of elegance without compromising on functionality. Durability matters, especially when it comes to car accessories. The best hard car handle is built to last, constructed from high-quality materials that withstand daily wear and tear. Its robust design ensures longevity, giving you peace of mind knowing your investment is protected. Safety is paramount, and this handle delivers. Its sturdy construction provides stability when entering or exiting your vehicle, reducing the risk of slips or falls. Moreover, the ergonomic shape supports your hand's natural grip, promoting comfort during every use. Beyond functionality, the best hard car handle elevates your car's interior aesthetics. Available in a range of finishes to match your personal style, whether you prefer a classic chrome or a modern matte black, there's an option to suit every taste. In conclusion, if you're looking to upgrade your vehicle with a reliable and stylish accessory, look no further than the best hard car handle. Its exceptional build quality, ergonomic design, and variety of finishes make it a must-have for any car enthusiast. That wraps up today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews on the latest automotive accessories. Until next time, drive safe and enjoy the journey.